Sears offers thousands of combinations of garage door design options, but when it comes to garage door construction, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. All Sears branded steel door collections offer 3 construction options: 1, 2, and 3-layer doors. Sears calls this their 1000, 2000, and 3000 series to reflect the number of layers in the garage door. The 3000 series doors are constructed with insulation that is bonded with special adhesive between 2 layers of steel. This insulation provides superior energy efficiency, quieter operation, and a clean interior finish. 2000 series doors start with a steel exterior and then insulation with a vinyl backing is added. Our 2000 series gives you energy efficiency and sound protection. The 1000 series doors are uninsulated and made with a single layer of steel for an attractive exterior appearance and great value. Whether you choose a 1000, 2000, or 3000 series door, the exterior look of a Sears garage door is the same. With Sears, you never have to compromise on the quality or good looks of a garage door. Thanks for joining me to learn more about the construction of Sears garage doors.